Nagabenta ke khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kubleye phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Kaseng All Jaiñtia Muster Workers and Labor Union AJMRWLU lingba ka Central Executive Committee CEC ha ka jingya trailang bar ka Union Cook Com Helpers PM Pushan Mid Day Meal Meghalaya menta kasni kum kadak jong ka jing Rakhe da prasnem jong ka seng. Kila pelong ke jingpen kop buram ya Menteri Rangba ke jela u Konrad ke sangma hai ke jingdan lang usembut Menteri Rangba ke Sorkar jela umas nyau bhalangdhar ya ke jingelang lapenya the General Secretary AJMRWLU uma Dapherbon and Susyang.
The decision must be guided by whether it is good for the people or not. We had the opportunity to serve our state in the last many years before 2018 as MLAs, as opposition leader, as MP. We saw the suffering that people were going through. I saw the suffering of the Muster roads. I remember as Member of Parliament, your advisor and your advisor and the founder of the All Jaiñtia Muster Workers and Labor Union, Rakhe. I don't know if you all know this or not, but we used to chat on Facebook and other social media 10 years back. That is how long I know him for. Even that time he used to tell me about the problems of the Muster Road, about the problems of the cooks. We used to discuss. So it's not that I'm here just because you invited me today and just because we have done few things. I have been connected with your problem for the last decade. I know the kind of suffering and problem you've been facing for many years, even when I was not Chief Minister. And hence, when I got the opportunity to be the Chief Minister, rightly as said by Master Balangdhar, in the second cabinet meeting, I asked the Chief Secretary and the Finance and other officials, why can't we give the Muster rolls their salary on time? If all of us are receiving our salary on the 1st, why give a different treatment to the Muster rolls? As usual, long list of reasons and problems came out. This is the problem, that is the problem, this advance, that advance. Long issue. I simply told Finance Department, release the money in advance. Gave 3 months advance to all the concerned departments so that whatever problem they have, they will figure out. But the money should not be an issue. In advance, you release 3 months advance so that we are able to release the salaries on time. It took some time because many departments, many Muster roles, different departments have different systems. But I am happy that slowly and steadily that we are seeing that we are able to now streamline and ensure that majority of the Muster roles today are getting their salaries on time. We are ensuring also that regularly the minimum wage is also being reviewed so that your salaries also are adjusted with inflation.